Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to review this remote. It is done by Buzztv and it is their latest Air Mouse remote and the model number is ARQ-100. Or you can see that it is really nicely designed. Going around it, it is just inside of a plastic that we received. Does not have any kind of packaging yet, but here it is. If you haven't subscribed yet to our channel, click the subscribe button, click the bell icon. So this way you're going to get notified once we have a new video out. On top of that, click the like button, smash it. Also, if you have a question, drop them at the bottom of the video. We really love to help you out ASAP. So the remote is really nicely designed. You can see everything is in the front and also in the back. Now, when you go to the back part of it, you have two spots for the battery itself, but once you open it, the dongle is hidden there, so that we can connect it to your XPL 3000 2018 edition in order to make every button work on this. So once you go ahead and put the batteries in on each side, is multifunction. You can also control your TV. This way you're going to be able to control your TV to turn on and off, and on top of that, the unit itself. So here are some of the features. You can see that it has the magnifying glass plus the mute button right underneath of it. You have all numeric buttons underneath. Then you do have the little refresh button. This way it's going to work out on your buzz boxes. You do have the app icon button and also the turn on and off mice. And going or the air mouse. Going underneath of it, you have menu, info, and return. Then you do have the nice navigation keys in the bottom, and also you're going to be able to see the OK button in the middle. You have last page or the channel that you're in, and also has a button that directly takes you to server as we are showing on the screen. Also, it has the live button. This we do not have to go to the main screen to press live. You just press it, it automatically takes you to live. On top of that, you have the guide button. This way takes you to the EPG screen, and also you have a button for VOD. That way directly takes you to the video on demand inside of your Buzztv. Going on the bottom part of it, you have volume up and down. Then you do have the home button, so you can take you back to main screen from your live or VOD. And also if you are inside of any apps, this home button will help you out. You do have channel up and down, so once you're inside of live, this we can change channel back going up or down, so it will switch channels. Going underneath of it, you do have the rewind, you have play and pause and fast forward, and also the stop button. These are originally created for your VOD when you're playing with your videos. So this way it will fast forward and it will rewind or pause the video for you. You do have a button directly takes you to the settings. You have a button for the record because XPL 3000 do allow you to record your videos or the channels that you're watching, and going under PVR so you can select whatever you recorded. These are shortcuts that are created inside of your Buzztv app. Logo in the bottom that they have printed, which looks really nice. The only thing that I have noticed is once I have it here and I flip it, my keyboard is upside down. This is really positioned for the left-handed people. So you have to flip it so that we can see it properly, and you can see that they have numeric buttons are set up properly, and it is positioned so when you click, you can hear it, but it's not as loud as any other keyboards. One thing that is really unique to this, and I've seen this with another brand that I'm not going to mention here, but the best part is when you go to function, the function key also going to allow you to use all the numbers and the symbols remote itself. And now once you turn it on, now it's on. If this is connected, if your dongle is connected, this will stay on. If it is not, it turns off really quick. On top of that, you also have the cap button. This way all the cap locks will be on. That means everything is going to be on capital letter, which is another good thing about this remote, except that it's a very, very good remote. So this was our take on the ARQ-100, which is created by Buzztv, and I hope you guys like our video. If you do like it, click the like button, subscribe button on the top, comment on the bottom. Always remember to visit our own website, which is exitex.info. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and other social networking places, and thank you.